Hey, what's going on? Tony from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. Thanks for getting on. Listen, I wanted to do this earlier today, literally like this morning, like 10 o'clock, but I was having problems doing the YouTube live. I was trying every few hours, many times to do the YouTube live here from the mobile device, but I was having a huge issue getting on. And it was just so much easier doing it like this. It's saying bad connection. Right now it's saying bad connection. So give me some feedback. Let me know that you still hear me. I just wanted to tune in, say hi, make this quick update video, and update it with brand new professional videos. I already recorded awesome videos of these guns with my camera here. But I just wanted to come on and say, hey, what's up? Show you these guns really quickly and then go eat dinner. Actually, my wife wants me to come eat dinner now. So what's up, Anthony King? Can you guys see the video? Is everything okay? Can you hear me? Can you see the video? What's up, Matt? Just wanted to make sure you guys can see me. So if you want to see the updated prices, check out Zoola.com, Zoolaa.com. I actually just finished making about 30 minutes of video with this camera here. Very high quality. The videos are going to come out great. I did unboxing videos on each spray gun. What's up, Pedro? Thanks, everybody, for getting on. You guys rocking it. So, yeah, everything is good on video, audio. Thank you so much for the update. The camera is awesome. I'm on my mobile phone right now. Hit the like button, please. Share it, comment, and spread the love. All right, so here is the X20. I don't want to make this video too long. I just wanted to tune in tonight quickly and show you the guns. Everybody's been asking me, Tony, where are the guns? These are brand new. I already sprayed with all of these guns before, and months before I went to Japan and I came back to Texas. But my hard drive crashed, like I said, and I lost all of the video. So I'm going to be making brand new videos on all of these guns, actually using them, setting them up, spraying with them, spraying base coat, clear coat, everything. And I'm going to show you exactly how they all work because they're awesome guns. So quickly, here is the X20 spray gun by Atom. So if we look at, you can see X20. You can see the Atom spray gun right there. Beautiful, high quality spray gun, all right? And you do get the air regulator. I will enjoy my dinner, thank you so much. And you get a cup filter, okay? And it also gives you a 1/4 inch air inlet, okay? Check out Zoola.com for the most updated prices. Zoolaa.com for the most updated prices. This one is a solvent only. This is the Atom X21. Okay, this is the Rolls Royce of the deal. The best gun out there for your money. Okay, this is the X21 spray gun. Waterborne compatible, base coat, clear coat, solvent compatible. And it comes with the Pro regulator, which is a little smaller. Okay, smaller air regulator than the one over here. You can kind of see it if I compare it side by side. Okay, it's a little smaller, out of your way. And then we got, every Atom comes with their little parts manual. Okay, and then we got the Mini X16 right here. Okay, very nice little gun here. And this is what it looks like, Atom Mini X16 right there. Okay, very, very nice gun, high quality feel. The cup is also a stainless steel threading up here. So it's not like those cheap guns where it's a plastic threading here where it strips out after 3 times of use. You know what I mean? Super high quality. This is a 1.2 tip up here, 1.2. The Atom, nice two-tone black and white air nozzle and knobs. All right, super nice gun, has a 4-ounce cup on it. And I just wanted to give you a quick overview. Of course, the video here is not the best quality. I just wanted to say, hey, what's up, everybody? Hope all is well. Here is the video on the spray guns. A lot of you have been waiting. and I'm going to go eat dinner, and I will be uploading nice detailed videos of each gun within the next few days. All right. So it's Tony. Just wanted to jump on live, say what's up. Hope all is well. Hit the like button before you head out. Comment below for any questions, and I'll get back to you very, very shortly. Thanks so much, and talk to you soon, guys. Bye-bye.